Welcome to today's very casual video. I'm going away tomorrow and I haven't packed yet. My friend who is going away with me is going to be like, are you kidding me? She didn't pack yet. But when you watch this, we already have gone and came back and had a wonderful time. I like to pack the day before. And I've never done a pack with me video, so I don't know. So I mostly want to show you stuff that I got on Amazon. But before I get into it, because I know I'm not going to get through this with my hair out like this. I use this product in my hair today. This is Vegamore Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. I already did the video on it, which you probably saw. I have not edited it yet, but when I, try a product out, I want to keep trying it out, so see if it makes it for the year-end review. And I will put less in, some days I'll put more in, just to see if it's a product I really like. This is a spray pump, so if you saw the video, I pretty much just poured it in because it's so much easier for me. So today I used the spray and did not use a lot. I also didn't style my hair like crazy. I literally just went upside down the entire time. So this is not like a style review, but considering that I styled my hair like that, my hair feels really good and it doesn't look so bad. So that's this product, but we'll see if it makes it for year-end review at the end of the year. Hopefully you heard all that because my microphone was not where it's supposed to be. Hair is up. I don't know how long the sweatshirt's gonna last on me, but we're gonna get into this. Okay, what do you do on Pack With Me videos? All right, I already took my clothes out that I think I'm gonna bring with me. I didn't buy anything new for this trip because I have enough. I don't need new things. I really don't. I took outfits that I either never wore, which is one dress, or I've worn like once or twice on vacation and I'm gonna wear it again. We're going to Aruba. I've never been there, so I think it's a lot different than my usual vacations where we stay at the resort the entire time unless you're doing like an excursion during the day. But apparently Aruba, which I'm sure you all know, you go out in the town. Who knew? I haven't been bringing like heels with me on trips lately because the last few resorts I went to, the walking distance from your room to the restaurant or the nightlife is just so long. I'm not going to wear heels. I would love to have the heels at the dinner, but I can't. Maybe I could bring like a bag with flip-flops. I'm going to have to think about that because I hate that I don't wear my heels with some of these outfits. And if we're going out, how are we getting there? The Uber? I don't know. I will bring some heels this time. The last couple of trips, I'm not even going to bother. I didn't bother. This I got. I'm bringing this. This is the cutest little dress I got from Garage. Yes. Not my age type store probably, but I love this dress. This I never got to wear. This is from Venus. I can't wait. I did do a video on it in the springtime. In case I want to wear pants, I got these slacks from Chico that I only wore once recently, and I love them. They're so comfortable, and I know I never wear pants when I go to Caribbean areas, but a few years ago I got this to go away and wear, and I never ever wear this, and it's just a top. So I bought pants with this, but I like these pants better, so I think that could look really nice. I don't know what shoes to wear though, because the shoes that I would wear is another pair of shoes that my lovely daughter's dog Crouton chewed up. If I'm in the mood for just black, if I get my periods, this is just a cute little cheap dress I got. It's cheap. I don't know where I got it. And then I got this dress, which is Lascana, and I don't think I wore this in front of the group that I'm going with of friends. I'm sure there's pictures of me somewhere, but they don't care. And just for comfort, if we go out shopping or something throughout the daytime, because to me it's you go away and it's bathing suits and an outfit for the nighttime, pretty much, right? But then there's those times you just want to check out the shops. I don't know how Aruba is. So this I'm bringing because this is my favorite summer outfit. I got this. It was somewhere we went away, and it's literally typically a typical store that you see in a little village, and I just love the colors. I don't know why, I love the colors, and it looks like something you would get for $15. This thing was $75. So I'm bringing it because it's so comfortable and everything. I think that's all the clothes I'm going to bring. I'm bringing this as a just in case dress because it's very nice. It's just literally a long dress. Can't forget the Spanx. I'm now a Spanx wearer. I never wore them. I used to not want to wear them because I feel like, what if I come home, my husband sees me in them? He's gonna be like, what the hell? It's not real. What's real? So I finally gave in to that and said, I don't care. And now I will tell him, yes, I wear Spanx. I bought like 3 different tops in 3 different colors also, just in case, because, oh, I have a pair of white shorts also for like just an unexpected walk around. White shorts. Can't go wrong. Should I bring this? Should I overpack? But then I overpack, I get annoyed at myself, but I have been underpacking, and that makes me even more angry at myself. This is just a knit dress, and I guess I could bring it. Should I bring it? If it fits, why not? Okay. Yeah, this I couldn't find all summer. Not that I went to many places, but I got this from Venus for the pool and the beach. I love this one. I wore this for Hawaii. I loved it. In Hawaii. Oh, this is just sort of like a pajama. You know, you always got one of those. It's just a slip-on dress all the time. Coming out of the shower, getting ready, this will be good. I used to wear it down to the pool even. I wear it around the house all the time. Bathing suits, I'm not going to go crazy. There's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we leave Sunday. So 4 days of bathing suits. I have 3. I think that's enough. My red one from Amazon. Oh, I know what I want to show you. My stuff from Amazon. Okay. I'm boring you with my clothes. Bathing suit number 2, also from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. And bathing suit 3, my daughter and I absolutely love this bathing suit. It fits like a glove, but I don't know where I got it. I swore it was Amazon, and I can't find it in my Amazon order history from last year. And I must have ripped the tag off. There's no, I don't know what. If I could find out, I would have ordered it. I tried to order it this summer in like every pattern, style, and color, but I would say Shein, but I don't think so because it actually fits in the back. All the bathing suits I got from Shein, I just tried on. They're pretty, they're okay in the front, they just don't fit right, and then in the back they're also baggy, so that's a big waste. I'll have to give those away. It's another thing for the beach, shawl for the pool, and then the rest is just toiletries. And let me tell you something, my last trip I forgot my turbans and I almost cried. I bought 2 this time too. I usually bring 2 so that one dries while the other one is usually throw out in the balcony. I might have got these terry cloth shorts. I got one for the girls too. I think that was Amazon also. It's just so easy, guys. Come on. Right? Like, I don't like going out. I don't like going out as much anymore. So if I can order it on Amazon, get it cheaper than I would in the store sometimes, and it comes to my front step. Sometimes I don't need it that day. I don't push it. I always say wait to have one delivery, less runs. But come on, it's so simple. So this is what I want to show you. I got all this stuff. Okay, so normally if I go on vacation, I'll go do the CVS run, as we call it. I get the shampoo, I get the toiletries, and et cetera, et cetera. And this time I said, we've had rain all week here on Long Island. It's just so depressing. Nobody wants to go out. I certainly don't. So I ordered all my stuff on Amazon because it was going to come on time. So that's what I want to show you what I got, because I got some interesting things that I've never used. I got a few different boxes. I got my Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Moisturizing Face Cream in 60 plus. My Moroccan Oil Conditioner. This is, I would say, my favorite conditioner. I got a whole bottle because I use a lot of conditioner. I got a razor. I usually forget to bring my razor, and I end up using my husband. It comes in a little kit. Okay, I'm happy. This will be adorable. Oh my God, and I'm going away also. I'm going away next month too. Well, links will be below in my Amazon store. This bothers me because I couldn't find the one that I have, because I like my daughter, when we go away, she always brings a little mirror, and I'm like, that's such a good idea, and I always forget because the mirror in the hotel is never where you need it to be. And I couldn't find my little plastic travel one. So I ordered one, and then I went in the basement and I found it. But I got another one. It's like a cheap one, nothing crazy. That's okay. You know what? This comes with a little, it says more for traveling anyway, whereas my other one was not for traveling, and I had to always wrap it so that the glass didn't break, and now I don't have to worry. It's like a little iPad. I love it. It's actually handy. I actually put this on a reoccurring shipment because I'm running low, so I just happened to get another one. This is my L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler. You guys know I love that. Oh, that light, by the way, comes with a charger. I always wear my sunscreen, so I got a Neutrogena Beach Defense Water and Sun Protection Spray. My husband hates the sprays because he said it's a big waste. It goes all over, but I put it right in my hand and then I use it like that. The lotion just takes forever. I'm like doing lotion all day as it is in the morning. I don't need to do it again. I got this, guys, not for the trip, but I'm going to do a video on it. I got these. I thought they were going to be a little bigger. But that's my fault because I didn't read the fine print. I mean, I think they'll come in handy. They are mini storages, like for eye cream and stuff. If you don't want to bring a whole, I don't know, for lotions that you don't need to bring a lot. So I'm definitely going to find things. Look, it's like rubbery. Comes in all these colors. So that'll be fun. I'll find something for it. Because even if you want to bring something down to the beach with you or the pool, these I thought were going to be bigger too. I got these. I hope they work. Oh, they do stretch. I don't want to say what this looks like. It's terrible. So I got these because I have had many instances where some of my products have leaked in the luggage. It was in Italy. I'll never forget. I ruined like so many dresses. Not ruined, but they were like pretty much ruined because a product leaked all over. Oh, and I had a tanning product leak. That's the worst. But these are supposed to go on the top bottles. Now, what if I have one of these? So let me see if it's going to work. Hold on. It does work. Guys, I feel like I can't show this to you. I feel like this is so weird. But I'm going to show it. Maybe if I roll it down, it won't look so weird. It's well protected. I kind of like these a lot. Oh my God. I'm covered. I can't live without these things. Daily liners. I'm telling you, after babies, when you get older, one little sneeze, they save you. So I wanted a traveling organizer thing. I've never really had that. I did, and I kind of liked it, but I don't like the one I have. It's like ugly. But I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is small. I thought I was getting bigger ones. I'm going to totally try to utilize these and be really organized. This was the one that I opened. Okay? Comes with a netting here. I'll show you when I stuff them all. That I'll be doing last too because I use all my stuff. And then I could put some toiletries in here. So it expands. Okay, so this is, I mean, it's good for like underwear and just to keep things separate. Look, it even has a handle. I can hang it up. I don't know. What would I put in there? Shoes? Shoes, probably, right? Shoes. Okay, this is like a laundry bag. Guess we should get packing. Okay, so it's not the prettiest at all, but you know what? It works. This is my everyday stuff, like just tinted moisturizers, SPF, you know, glow, serums, things like that. Here I have all mascaras, and I got rid of so much. I have my concealers, blushes, and back there are all my foundations, powders, eyeliner, eyebrows, lipstick. My NARS. Now these are bronzers. There's all bronzers back there. And then some more bronzers and highlighters. I don't have many highlighters anymore. And then this big box down there, which you can't really see too well, and it's very sloppy. Down there are all of my eyeshadow palettes. It's a bigger box, goes all the way. Oh, what's here? This is just extra stuff, sponges. Yeah. So this is what I do now. All right, so I take a basket and I just go through each item and I collect whatever I want for the day. So I'm going to do that for the items that I want to take home. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't want to jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't want to overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.